Oh, here we have a lovely 1954 Erika 10, serial number 1740846. It is fully functional in pretty darn good mechanical shape. There's a couple of dings on the front right there, a couple of scratches here and there, but not very much. Overall, she's in pretty darn good shape. The carriage moves very smoothly, very easily, nice and silent. The throw out on the escapement still works, so there's none of that nasty clicking as it's going through its motions. The inside is reasonably clean, a little bit of dirt here and there, the occasional hair, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. I have the bottom off right now so you can see the inside. Which, there's the bottom right there. It does have nice thick felt on there. And that'll be put back on here momentarily. The quick brown box. Dog. You may notice this keyboard. It's a Danish keyboard. Your Y is up here. You have the IJLJ character right there. You also have your little dots and your circumflex and both of your accents. And these are both spaceless keys. You'll notice the carriage won't move. That's so you can hit it and then put your vowel underneath it. Pretty slick. And also has francs, a 1/, fraction symbol. You also have the dollar sign and the British pound sign. Very good international machine. And she types really well too. Has a very snappy feel to it. There is a missing key top here on the shift lock. Still functions just fine though. It's very easy press on it. There's no skipping in the escapement. Moves right over. All of the vibrator settings on the ribbon work just fine. The indexing all works wonderfully. And the carriage lock. 1954 Erika 10. Yeehaw.